Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Toyota Land Cruiser single cab ute. Stock reference number 3791. This shape runs from the third month 2007 through to the current shape. It has a 1VD 4.5 litre V8 turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 1VD 4.5 litre V8 single turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the left hand side as well as the left hand side of the roof. Bonnet has a couple of small dents and a crack in the scoop. We have the right hand headlight, radiated grille, left hand headlight. It's got an aftermarket RW steel bull bar supplied with Premier winch, power winch. Does not have the remote. Also supplied with all the bolts, brackets, as well as the side steps and brush bars. There is a slight bit of damage on the left hand front of the bull bar itself, and the left hand brush bars slightly kinked. Still may be usable. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch white Sunraysia mags with Mickey Thompson Raja ATZ tyres. Left front has a good tyre. Left truck type mirror, manual. Left hand rear 16-inch white Sunraysia with a Mickey Thompson tyre. It's got an aftermarket RW tray, steel tray. You might have seen that it does have some damage on the left hand side toolbox. The toolbox does unbolt, so still may be usable. Supplied with all bolts and lights. Less the sides. Right hand rear 16-inch steel Sunraysia in white with a good Mickey Thompson tyre. The left hand side brush bar. Left door has a few small dents. Still may be usable as they are hard to find decent ones. Right hand power door mirror, right hand truck type mirror. It's got an aftermarket AirTech snorkel, less the top end part, supplied with all the fittings. Left guard appears to have no damage, flared type, snorkel hole type. And the left front, 16-inch white Sunraysia with a good Mickey Thompson tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, which does have a speaker hole cut into it. Manual reg type, quarter glass type. This vehicle is fitted with grey vinyl interior. Right hand front seat is tidy. It does have a very small rip on the outer edge. The left hand seat is in good condition, also grey vinyl. 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, sub tank type, and a tidy grey vinyl steering wheel with sold without the horn pad. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.